guys, we made it to Marie's favorite spot, Zarappa's Coffee and GYG. Look at this big back, bruh. Oh my god, always eating. Why are you always eating, man? Alright, let's go. Can't forget the beam ski. That's how we got here, bro. Look at this shit. Let's see the matcha. Oh my gosh, get that shit out of here.
Look at the car.
Wow, sorry boss. I'm gonna tune my car so it has the pops.
Yeah.
So where are we going today, man? We're gonna be going to the... We're gonna be going to the car meet. I'm still so awkward in front of the camera.
I'm so awkward.
Gonna be tuning in the pop tune. Because we're going to the car meet. We gotta shut everyone up, bruh. Okay guys, go back to you when it's all done. Hey, got the gang, we got the gang. Got the gang. S15. Line up, look at this line up. Oh, it's pretty big, holy fuck. God damn. It's so freaking big. Look at, oh, there's a team on the chase. Oh. Damn, imagine trying to go to the gym here.
I know, right? Today's not the best time. Is it even open? Oh yeah.
Why the hell is that guy's shirtless? Where we at? Where we posted at?
Call me.
Call me.
10.
Oh my gosh. That's so good.
God damn. The Beamer. Sienna would love that. Yeah, make the sound more. fast car.
That's so fast. And it's so fast to brake as well.
There he is.
Hi, why here?
You gotta show what's up.
Oh my day.
You kinda gotta show them what's up, man.
You could have given me a heads up.
Oh, we're gonna do that again.
No.
Are we turning right here?
We are.
Maybe I put in the wrong one. Nah, that seems about right. Look at the traffic.
Getting kinda bored. I just don't know how, but when I